Hello everyone, myself Ashwini Kanoja from the Kamegi Institute of Management Studies. Sector name is Oil and Gas and my company name is Hindustan Petroleum Corporation Limited, that is HPCL. Part 1 consists of sector name, that is Oil and Gas. Introduction to the sector. The oil and gas sector is a global powerhouse using hundreds of thousands of workers worldwide and generating hundreds of billions of dollars globally each year. This involves the search for underwater and underground natural gas fields or crude oil fields, and the drilling of exploitation wells and the drilling into established wells to recover oil and gas. Industries in this sector. The petroleum industries, also known as the oil industries or the oil patching, includes the global process of exploration, extractions, refining, transporting, and marketing of petroleum products. The largest volume product of the industries are crude oil and gasoline. Petroleum oil is also a raw material for many chemical products, including pharmaceuticals, solvents, fertilizers, pesticides, synthetic fragrances, and plastics. Key player of the sector. The oil and gas sector is among the 6 core industries in India and play a major role in influencing decision making for all the other important sections of the economy. Indian economic growth is closely related to energy demand. Therefore, the need for oil and gas is projected to grow more, thereby making the sector quite conducive for investment. Strength of the sector. First, highly skilled workforce through successful training and learning program. Second, strong free cash flow. Third, super performance in the market. Fourth, strong distribution network. Fifth, reliable suppliers. Sixth, strong dealer community. Weakness of the sector. Investment in the research and development is below. The marketing of the product left a lot to be desired. Limited success outside core business. Not highly successful at integrating firms with different work culture. Organization structure is fully compatible with the present business model. High attraction rate in workforce. Opportunities of the sector. Low inflation rate, increasing cost of transportation, new customers for online channel, new trends in the consumer behavior can open up new market, organization core competencies and their success in similar other product fields, new environmental policies. Challenges for this sector. Reducing cost to remain competitive, improving performance to ensure the valorization of assets, improving the environmental footprint to meet increasingly standard. Sector's contribution to economy. The oil and gas industries is among the 6 core industries in India. The industries is a major factor for growth being witnessed in the Indian economy today. The natural gas and petroleum sector, which is industry of refining, transportation, and the marketing of these products, contributes about 15% of Indian GDP. Recent trends in sector. 10 key trends. As such, companies operating in the petroleum industries will need to adopt and position themselves accordingly. There are a few areas where they should focus on in particular. Focus on infrastructure, increase sustainability, growth natural gas, variables, coding, seismic technology, increase labor cost, skills shortages, tracking challenges, robotics, increase connectivity. Now, part 2. Part 2 consists of company name, that is Hindustan Petroleum Corporation Limited, HPCL. Introduction to the company. Hindustan Petroleum Corporation Limited, that is HPCL, is an Indian public sector oil and gas company. It is a subsidiary of ONGC with its headquarters in Mumbai, Maharashtra. It has a 25% of market share in India among public sector undertaking, that is PSUs, coupled with a strong marketing infrastructure. Its parent company is ONGC, which owns a 51.11% stake in the company. The company is ranked 360 on the Fortune Global 500 list of the world's biggest corporation as of 2016. International ranking. HPCL is a Fortune Global 500 company as per the ranking of 2013 and was ranked at position 259. HPCL has been ranked at position 367 as per the latest ranking of 2016. HPCL was featured on the Forbes Global 2000 list for 2013 at position of 1270. It was the 10th most valuable brand in India, according to an annual survey conducted by Brand Finance and the Economic Times in 2010. Strength of the company. HPCL is one of India's major oil and gas companies. Hindustan Petroleum operates the largest refinery in India. Large product portfolio including oil, natural gas, lubricants, etc. HPCL owns and operates the largest lube refinery in India, producing lube base oils of international standards. Produces over 300 grades of lubes, specialties, and greases. More than 11,000 people are employed with HPCL. Weakness of the company: intense competitions from other PSUs and international oil companies with limited market share. Government intervention often disturbs operations efficiency. Opportunities of the company: HPCL can tap the increasing fuel oil prices and increase margins. Increasing demand for natural gas in transport and industries. HPCL can focus on partnerships and international growth to expand its export market. Acquisitions and tie-ups to strengthen its market position. Threats of the company: government regulations can affect HPCL's performance. High competitions from other players, fluctuating market and crude prices can reduce profitability from HPCL. Challenges for the company: ONGC and HPCL working together is the biggest challenge. HPCL corporate identity will be intact, but ONGC may wield greater power with the Oil and Natural Gas Corporation on acquiring Hindustan Petroleum Corporation. The center will have every reason to be pleased. Company's contribution to sector: HPCL will focus its CSR activities on local communities around which the company lives and operates, like refineries, terminals, depots, LPG plants, pipelines, aviation stations, lube blending plants, project locations and other offices, etc. HPCL is committed to allocate at least 60% of the CSR budget for this